Firstly, I have to fix the sidewall of the boat. Then I use a cardboard to create a template for the stern. After I have tested that, I transfer the template onto the coroplast sheet. I used the cement floor at the garage to create a crease. I cut part of the sidewall of the boat so that I can fit the stern piece. I cleaned the surface of the coroplast with alcohol and then applied glue. I clamped the edges and allowed it sit for 24 hours. Then I trim off the rear part of the boat. These corners are the weakest point where the water may leak into the boat. I apply the caulking to seal the channels on the coroplast to stop water from seeping into the boat. I scrape off the residues of the caulking. Then I apply the Gorilla Tape to further stop water from seeping into the boat. It turned out the idea works, but there are areas for improvement which I will cover later on. Next video I will cover the design of the floorboard and the mounting of the seat. If you find this video useful, please subscribe and I welcome your feedback. Thanks for watching.